how to remove an object from your video in After Effects. Let's say I want to remove this object from my video. First, get the pen tool to create a mask around the object. Select the mask and press M, then select None. Right-click on the mask, you'll see Track Mask. On the right you see the tracker. If you don't, go to Window, Tracker, and press play. It will now track your object. You might need to adjust it a bit. When it's done, go to Content Aware Fill. Again, if you can't find it, go to Window, Content Aware Fill. You will need to set the mode of the mask back to Subtract. Save your project. Here you can make the expansion a bit bigger. Method to Object and Range to Work Area. Now press Generate Fill Layer. When it's done analyzing, you get a new layer and you can see it removed your object.